Okay, we're gonna show you all the plastic or bottle gun. Yeah. Hey, we used to see a tube of water. Let's see that kind of water. I said no to the bottle gun. You must order for the booms or the machines. Go to book and you before you go, you know how voice. I said no, give you for those see. Do you like to go this? Yeah, sure. Salad, Elizabeth, or Suitcase, Yin Yak. How dare you to put it in a microwave at George Pig, a Peppa Pig. That's it. You are grand for life. He was Peppa. He was Hiroko. She was silly. Just real man. Hiroko, how dare you put it in the magical washing machine? Did you bring you jail? You made grand. You bring it to sit on the washing machine. You grand for life. Come on, Hiroko. No. Okay.